After this, we had started with Tux Paint. I don't think that Tux Paint has to be elaborate a lot, because you guys had done different effects like drip effects, edge effects, mosaic, smudge, waves, wavelets, rainbow. These are the different effects which you had done in Tux Paint. Just to brief you out, Tux Paint is a drawing program. Okay, it's a application software which helps you to draw and color the different drawings which are available either with this with the program, or you can made it. Here in this chapter you had learned about the different effects, these effects which makes your drawing more interesting, more attractive. So we had drift effects, okay, uh, edges, mosaic. These are different kinds of effect which we or you had performed during the practicals. I would request kindly perform or revise these effects once again practically. In case if you found any issues or if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will revert it out. Basically, these are different types of effects which helps you, as I have told, which helps you to make your drawing more interesting. Once we have done this, the another topic or the next topic in this chapter was to delete a drawing. In case if you don't want to keep a drawing, you can select that drawing and you can click on the erase button available at the bottom right of the screen. Once you will click on the erase button and selecting yes, the program will get deleted. So after this, if you had drawn a drawing and you want to take out a printout of it, so there is an option available also for printing a drawing. That is, select that drawing and click on the print option or the print tool available in the toolbox. It will ask you for to confirm your print to be print. Once you will click on OK, the drawing will be printed on the page. I would request kindly revise or kindly use some of the effects in the Tux Paint again, just for the revision purpose. Then we had came to the new operating system. Now, as I have mentioned, that operating system is a software, operating software, which helps the computer to manage all its activities. It tells the computer how to receive the input, how to process them, how to show the output. The same operating system controls, manages the different parts of the computer, the different devices which are attached to the computer. It manages all the IPOs, it manages all the memory units of the computer. It acts, that operating medium acts as a medium, or you can say a channel between the user and the computer. The user gives the instructions which are being understood by the operating system, and it is being followed by the computer system. There are different types of operating system available. Most commonly used is Microsoft Windows. We have other than this also DOS, Mac OS and Linux, on which almost all the programs in this book are based on. Ubuntu is one of the example of Linux operating system which is available free in market. Basically, we all use Microsoft operating system, that is your Windows, commonly available in the laptops. In my laptop also we have the same Microsoft operating system. So most of the contents, most of the programs, they are similar in both the operating system, hence they are being elaborated on the same application. When you switch on the Ubuntu operating system, the home screen will look like this. We have a dash icon here, which is your starting point, where all the programs required are being shown. When we have launcher, menu bar, desktop background, and the indicator applet. The description of all these contents are given here. Okay, like the indicator applet, what is it? It includes network menu, sound menu, clock and calendar, and system menu. Like something which is being shown here: calendar, network condition, okay, sound. These are like indicator applets in your Ubuntu operating system. This is a launcher type in your Ubuntu, and dash something like this in Ubuntu. So I had just compared the menus or the contents of Ubuntu with the operating system of Windows. So the contents like the indicator applets, the launcher, the dash icon, they are similar to which I have described here. Now, what are the basic operations on the desktop which we perform? Are either we open an application, we select the icons, we arrange them, we organize them, or we can change the background of the desktop. We can add the icon, remove the icon, and these are some basic operations which are performed on the desktop. Then to open an application, any of the program, if you want to open, just like type the name and double click on it, the program will get open in front of you. Okay. We had learned how to select and deselect the icons, how to move them, how to organize them, how we can change the background. Now for changing the background, you have all done this. Now for changing the background, you have to right click on the blank area of the desktop. Then you have to change the desktop background option, where you will find different pictures or different background images which you can choose and apply as per your requirement. So the same like adding an icon, removing an icon, moving an icon, all these can be performed on the desktop itself. So for this, let's have a quick jump on this. So here I clicked on it, and to personalize background, and in the background, let's say if I go with some pictures, okay, once I have done this, right here, and as you can see, the desktop has been changed. So I have changed the desktop image or the wallpaper. If I want to add something, to adding an image, or adding an icon, if I want to add an icon,